Hello students, this probability topic is same in class 7, 8, 9th and 10th. So I am going to make a single body video for both class 7 and 8, and this video is also helpful for class 9 and 10 students. So let's start today's topic, probability. It's a very interesting topic. If you understand the concept, you can easily find out the solution and you make some interest. So let's start. Hello students, today we are going to discuss about a new topic, probability. What is the probability, or what is the chance of an probability? The main thing is chance. Suppose someone asks to you, what is the chance for you getting 90% and above mark? So if you are laborious one, so you can say, yes, sure, it's a 75%, I'll do effort for getting 90% above marks. But if you people are weak in studies, you say, no way, I am unable to score more than 15% marks. So how I am able to receive so much marks? So this type of things depend on the chances. So these things, under these chances, we have different words. Is this possible? If I say that, is it possible to sunrise on west or north direction? You can say no, it's impossible. Clear? Is this possible to find out a person with 5 feet high? Yes, it's possible. So in between impossible and possible, there are different in between impossible to possible, there are some more conditions, and probability depend on these two, in between these two things, impossible to possible. In case of any chance, if we are discussing about chances, in case of chance, either that chance is possible for you, means you can score good percent or full marks in maths, or that chance is impossible for you. Clear? Top in a country, that marks obtained by you must be top in a country. It's impossible for you. I'm not saying that it's impossible, but it's something which is beyond your limit, that is your impossible. And in between impossible and possible, there is thing that certain. Yes, sometimes we can obtain 90% marks if I am weak. So these chance depend on these three conditions: possible, certain and impossible. As well as if we discuss about that possibility or that probability, in case of possible, again we have three things. In possibility, we have three things. If any work given to me, clear? So what is the outcome? When we toss a coin and my wish to receive head, so it's a 50-50% chance now, that sometimes we have head, sometimes we have tails. So this type of possibility is known as your even chance or equally likely. Even chance or equally likely. Equally likely. If I throw a ball and that ball come back to me after hitting the target, it is more likely when I throw the ball on a wall. So how many times that ball come to me? That is more likely. Every time that ball comes to me, those type of chances or those type of possibilities are known as your more likely. More likely. Later we discuss in terms of probability also, but I'm just simply introduce you or clear the concept of each and every term of the probability. More then after, if I throw a ball that cricket ball, and that ball goes to the moon, is this possible? No, so it's not possible. So possibility is unlikely or less likely. Under the mathematics, we have from 0 to 1, we give some numbers or some fractions for these type of possibilities in under the heading of probability. So let's discuss them. Now if I say how we note the chance of an event, suppose we have some chance, and that chance may be in favor, maybe not favor, maybe possible, maybe not possible. And we divide them into some part. Hope this is within the screen. Yes, it's within the screen. Clear? The first thing is that suppose I am going to start from negative to positive, less to more. That chance is, if chance is impossible, so probability or result, sorry, not impossibility, it's the impossible. Probability or result must be 0. Clear? Result must be 0. Then sometimes we have objects unlikely. Means that our chance is very less. It's near about 1/4. Out of 4th, one chance is for any one time for that chance is known as your unlikely. Even chance means equal chance. Getting head and getting tail. You may be given, maybe obtain head, maybe obtain tail. This is a 50-50 chance. 50-50 chance having some chances 1 out of 2. Then likely, possibility that every time we have this thing. Whenever I throw a ball, someone ball me, I hit the ball easily, it's a likely one. Out of 3, it's 4. One time is there. 1 out of 4 time, 3 times I can hit the ball, but 1 time I am unable. If that bowler is weaker one. Okay. Now then after we have certain, always we have, it's a full chance. Certain means what? If I give an exam, I receive a mark, that is certain. Doesn't matter whether I am receiving is 0 marks or full marks, but I receive a mark. So 0 is also marks, so that is a certain. Receiving a marks in exam is certain one. Sometime if I give the exam, I must receive the marks. So all these are the probability in terms of chances, in terms of numbers from 0 to 1. Impossible that not occur, probability must be 0. Unlikely, even chance, likely or certain. So this is your notion of chances in events. Move to the next topic. What is probability? Now from these definitions we can easily find out the value of probability. Probability is the number of favorable outcome or number of possible outcome. Favorable is the perfect word. Number of favorable outcome by total number of outcome. Is known as the probability. We can easily write down this probability is probability of an event. Probability of an event. In place of E, you can write down the event. So this thing is a clear concept of probability. I'm going to solve some questions or some examples so that you can easily solve the questions. In probability, there are various types of problems. So you must know the type of examples of type of problem. For example, if question is about tossing the coin, so all of you must know that in a we toss a coin, I have either head or tail. So what is the result? There are two results. What is the favorable condition? It may be 1/2 if I receive one head or one tail. But if I toss two coins together, then what are the possible results? In first coin, suppose in first coin we have one head, in second coin again we have head. So it's the first result. In first coin I have head and second coin I have tail. This is the second result. Come to the again, in first coin I have tail and second coin I have head. Third result. In both coin I have tail. So fourth result. So if I toss one coin, we have this result. If I toss a second coin, this is the result. So these are the outcomes, set of outcomes. This for one coin, this for two coins. If question asks you about three coins, so you can easily write down. In both coin we have head. Again, in first two I have head, and but in second I have tail. In first I have head, in second I have tail, first I have head, tail both. Clear? Now first one is head, both head, both tail, one head, one tail, one tail, one head. First head is complete. Now if first one is tail, in second we have head, third we have tail, head, tail. Now complete. In first we have tail, head, tail, head, tail. One more thing can occur now. Both we have head. So while tossing the coin, these are the possible outcomes. Clear? For all head, all tail, first two head, and rest one is tail. First two, one is first head, tail, tail, head. Likewise, we have the results. So nothing you receive out of these results. So first one, second coin, one coin, two coin, three coin. These are the possibilities. Now next is a type of question, rolling a dice. As we know that in a dice we have 6 faces. We have 6 faces having number 1 to 6. Total outcome 6. Possible outcome, there are different things. Odd numbers are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So from this you can find out the odd number outcome. Odd is your 1, 2, 3 to favorable 3. Total is 6. Likewise. Now a common question is about spin wheel. Let me tell the board. So suppose in a spin wheel there are various parts. Clear? So giving some number in haphazard way, and there is an arrow fixed, and this we rotate this wheel, and wheel stops at which number, that is the result, and from this we can find out the possible result. There is how many total numbers are there? 8. So it's 8. Each and every number is 1 time, so 1 upon 8 for probability for getting every number. Then after we have another type of question, that is type of deck, playing cards. While finding the probability in playing card, we must know the total number of cards in a deck. Deck means total number of cards is of 52 different cards are there. No card is same, no on perfectly same. There are 32 cards. Under this deck we have 2 color, red and black, divided equally 26. Clear? Under the red we have 2 more type of things are there. It's a brick and heart. Brick and heart. Clear? Each one carry 13 card. Again under black, again we have 2 more type. This is your club, that you can say black, and this one is spade. There are each having 13. Yes, in red this brick is also known as your diamond. Clear? And each and every part contain 13 cards of different terms. Each terms are, let me rub this part. Each part contain, first is one is ace having number 1, then 2 to 10 we have numbers, then we have jack, we have queen, we have king. Clear? These 3 are known as your face card. Clear? These 3 are known as your face card. Ace, then to 10, 11, 12, 13. This is your face card. Hope this one is clear to you. Now you can easily solve the questions based on these examples. We'll try to solve the questions given in your exercises. You can easily understand. You must take help of the examples. That's all for this video. Thank you.